Hate the sin, not the sinner. Punish the sin, not the sinner. Kill the sin, not the sinner. With these beautiful words from the Bible, I shall start the topic of this video. Well, the topic must be very clear by now. Yes, the video is on rehabilitation of criminals. The Indian law is based on rehabilitation and reformers of criminals. Supreme Court and various high courts of the country firmly believe that. First of all, let me introduce you to the actual meaning of rehabilitation. Yes, rehabilitation is preventing an offender from committing a crime in future. It is changing his environment by not punishing him by punitive measures, but by giving him a comfortable, a good environment that teaches him and drives him towards the path of morality. No one is a born criminal. There are phases in life, there are things and mental issues which drives him towards the sinful act, towards the heinous act which he has committed. In Nirbhaya case, when one of the offenders was interviewed, he said about the misogynistic views he had about the deceased. He said that the deceased shouldn't be traveling at such hour of the night. He said that he enjoyed hurting the deceased. That was his interview, when you watch that interview, it's very bad, it's very, it's very bad. It cannot be seen, it just boils your blood. What happened after a few months? He committed suicide. Yes. After saying these words, after committing such a heinous crime, that person committed suicide. This just proves that he had some grave mental issues. If a person commits a crime and he enjoys that, if he enjoys murdering people, then he has some mental issues that strictly needs to be addressed. Yes, I am against death penalty. I am against when media makes a hype of a certain event and the criminals are shunned by the society. What should the society do? I firmly think that the people, that the society in which we live in should at least not hate the sinner. They must shun rape, not rapists. I think we all should give a warmly environment for the criminals to rehabilitate, to change, to bring to the normal position like a normal human being. In one of the videos of Jeevan Prakash Sir have told us what rights a rape victim have got. Yes, rape is a very heinous offense and she has got full of rights, but what if she is wrong? What if she was not raped? I firmly think that with the victim, the accused should also get a right. There should be rights of the accused also. With the basis of what I am saying, I have got some data where committees have thought about rehabilitation of criminals. In 2013, Justice Roy committee was formed, and it was headed by the former CJI's S.A. Bobde. He recommended certain prison reforms like modification of the cooking facilities, video conferencing, staffing the prison, speedy trial, special fast-track courtrooms. Prison is entry 4 of the list 2 of Schedule 7, and it is under the state subject. Article 39A of the Constitution talks about the homely environment that prison must have. It should have the basic necessities. Prisoners must not be punished to a higher level. You should be shocked to know that average suicide rate of our criminals is 50% in the country. In Vishnu Dev Shah versus State of West Bengal 1975, it was said by the Supreme Court that there is yet a more grievous hurt which the death penalty inflicts on the administration of criminal. Therefore, Supreme Court also believes that death penalty must be the last recourse for law. In Lehna versus State of Haryana 2002, it was said by the Supreme Court that the reformation and rehabilitation of offenders should be emphasized. In Commandant 28th Battalion ITB Police versus Sanjay Bijolia 2001, the Supreme Court emphasized the same thing. Further, in Sushil Murmu versus State of Jharkhand 2003, Gurvel Singh alias Gala and another versus State of Punjab 2013, Anil alias Anthony Arikswamy Joseph versus State of Maharashtra 2014, and various other judgments, the Supreme Court firmly believe in the rehabilitation and reformation of the criminals. Since I am a first-year student of law, I do not have so much of in-depth knowledge about rehabilitation. I do not know the sections of the IPC. I have searched and I did not get any. I do not have so much of knowledge about it, so I must not say that there is no law on rehabilitation and that something like that. But I think I would learn such laws in the coming years. I also request Jeevan Prakash Sir to make a video about the rehabilitation of criminals so that we students get more idea about it. Thank you so much.